Hello everyone. Today we are going to deal about a special structure called the data structure. The data structure. What is a data structure and why do we need it? That is a question that has to be asked. Let us see. A data structure is a format that is used to organize, process, store data in such a manner so that it can be accessed easily and efficiently. Now, what do you mean by easily and efficiently? In a computer, the amount of memory is limited, and hence the way in which you store the data becomes essential. Likewise, the time needed to access a data should also be fast. That is the whole point. So, you should arrange the data in such a manner that the data would be retrieved fast. Now, one such data structure is called a stack. We already saw a picture of plates stacked on one on top of the other, and hence it is called a stack. Similarly, here also, stack is a data structure where the elements are placed one over the other. So we can say that it is a linear data structure because it goes in a sequential or a linear manner. We also say that it is a LIFO data structure, that is last in first out data structure, and it is normally implemented as an array. So in an array, the function is like a LIFO method. That is, the last element that is inserted will be the first one to go out. Now there are two types of operations on the stack. One is the push, that is used to insert elements into the stack, and the second one is pop, which is used to delete elements from a stack. Now the algorithm for the push is seen here with an extra pointer which is called top. If top is equal to max, which is the maximum size of the array, that means we have used up the whole place for insertion and there is no place left. A message will be printed as overflow and the program will exit. Otherwise, if top is not equal to x, you will increment top is equal to top plus 1, and in A of top, that is in the array A, with position top, we will insert the new item and then quit. Similarly for pop, if top is equal to 0, that means the stack is empty. Then there is no elements to be deleted and hence we will quit. Otherwise, if there is some element left, we will take the topmost element of the array and put it into item and decrement top and then quit. There are various applications of stack. It is normally used for reversing a string and to convert an infix operation to a postfix operation in arithmetic expressions. Thank you for watching.